country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Plus candidates. Plus tension.
ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆರೋಪ ದೋಷಮುಕ್ತ. ಜನವರಿ 15ರಂದು ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಪಂಚ ಸಂಗಮ. ಸೈನ್ಯದ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಹಿಳಾ 12/1/2024 ಡೇ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ. Today's newspaper headline: Congress has been anti-Hindu since Nehru's time. Sri Ramlu. 156-year-old government school to take